Hello students. Now today we start our question answer of lesson number 2, The Happy Prince. I told you the summary of that lesson. Now go to the question answer from the comprehension section. Answer the question in about 25 words. Now what made the swallow stay behind even after his friend had gone away to the Egypt? So the swallow love for the most beautiful reed made him stay behind even after his friend had gone away to Egypt. Question number 2. What was the statue of the Happy Prince adorned with? The answer is the statue of the Happy Prince was adorned with thin leaves of fine gold. He had 2 bright sapphires for his eyes, and a large red ruby was shining on the handle of his sword. Now go to the next questions. Question number 3. How did the people admire the beauty of the statue of the Happy Prince? So the beauty of the statue was admired by all the people. One of the town councillors said he is as beautiful as a weathercock, or the charity children admired him like he looks like an angel. Question number 4. Where did the swallow put up at night? The swallow put up at night on the feet of Happy Prince, the statue of tall column of Happy Prince. Question number 5. When the third drop of water fell, the swallow looked up. What did he see? He saw that the Happy Prince was weeping. Question number 6. Why was the Happy Prince weeping? The Happy Prince was weeping because his statue was set at a height from where he could see all the ugliness and all the miseries of city. Though his heart was made of lead, yet he could not choose but weep. Question number 7. Why did the Happy Prince not know the sufferings of his people? Because when he was alive, he lived in a palace of Sanssouci, where sorrow was not allowed to enter. In the daytime, he played with his companions in the garden, and in the evening, he led the dance in the great hall. Thus, the Happy Prince led a life of joys. He had not seen sufferings and miseries of people. Now, question number 8. To whom did the Happy Prince give the ruby and why? The Happy Prince gave the ruby to the seamstress. She lived far away in the little street. Her little son lay ill in the corner of the room. He was asking for oranges. His mother was so poor that she had nothing to give him but river water. So the Happy Prince decided to help her with the ruby. Question number 9. What were the Happy Prince's eyes made of? What did he do with them? The Happy Prince's eyes made of with 2 bright sapphires. He helped a playwright and a girl with them. He gave 1 sapphire to the playwright who was feeling cold and was hungry, and he gave the next sapphire to a little match girl who was crying for her matches which fell into a gutter. Question number 10. He is a little better than a beggar, said the mayor, looking at the statue. Why did he say so? The mayor looked at the statue. Its leaden heart was broken into 2. And the ruby was no longer then on the sword hilt. His eyes had gone. He was golden no longer. So the statue was very shabby and ugly. So the mayor said he is little better than a beggar. Question number 11. What happened to the statue of the Happy Prince at last? At last the mayor pulled down the statue of the Happy Prince. They decided the statue to be melted in the furnace, and mayor declared that his own statue should be made out of its metal. Did the swallow go to the Egypt? Give reason. Question number 12. No, the swallow did not go to the Egypt. The first reason is earlier it stayed for his love for the reed. And second, after staying with the statue of Happy Prince for 3 nights, he decided to stay with the Happy Prince forever because he had gone blind. Question number 13. What were the 2 most precious things in the city that the angel brought to the god? So the first thing is the leaden heart, and the second thing is the dead swallow. The leaden heart of Happy Prince and the dead swallow. The angel brought the things to the God. So here this is the answer of 25 words. So students, your homework is to write all the answers in your fair copy and complete it. Thank you.